Hi, Amanda.
Hi, Rachel.
Let's go say hi to Pat. Todd.
That would be so amazing. You're going.
Hello, Jacob.
Hey.
Have fun.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
I'm videotaping. The vlogger in me just cannot stand going somewhere without videotaping.
Do you still have that website?
No.
No?
I ain't gonna pay $10 a year. Nope.
For your iCarly ripoff?
So how are you? Eating food?
You know our website's free.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's through Google.
Google?
Google offers free websites.
Google used to offer free 411 and they got rid of it. Pissed me off.
They still have it.
September 11th, they're getting rid of it. November 11th.
What?
Yeah.
What about dictionary?
What do I do when it's on your restroom?
Pull.
I don't know how to do that.
This is some good
Like
stuff.
1 stroke per line.
One stroke.